Here to introduce our star product, high-pressure ball press. The top is the feeding part, mainly to achieve quantitative feeding, to ensure that the material evenly into the roller. This is the core part of the ball press roll, and roll quality and material is not up to standard is no good foundation. So roll quality is an important premise and guarantee. You can see that this is the steel plate of the machine, and everyone else is 12 millimeters. We use 14 millimeters, which is very solid. Here is the motor equipped with the ball press. The screw feeding device is driven by the electromagnetic speed regulating motor and rotated by the belt wheel and worm reducer to force the pressed material into the main feed port. Due to the constant moment characteristics of the electromagnetic speed regulating motor, when the amount of the screw feeder is equal to the amount of material required by the host machine, the constant feeding pressure can be maintained to make the pellet quality stable. High pellet formation rate